Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Replit app as APK. So all you need to do is open your Replit account and then navigate to apps and then choose the app that you want to make it or convert it to APK and then press on it. And now we need to take the app URL, so press on republish here. Now you can see your URL here. You just copy the URL here and then go to median.co and then paste your URL here and then press on build your app. Now it will ask you to name your app, clinic register, for example, or any name, any relevant name that you choose. And then if you don't have an account, you can add your email here. If you have already an account in median.co, you don't need to input your email here. Now, as you can see, the simulator here, you need to choose Android phone and then go down and press on build and download. Now you can see Android APK AAB. Press on build. It will take some time to build. After it finishes building, you can see the download button. You can press on it and download APK, and your APK will be downloaded successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.